Hello, beautiful soul. Welcome to Infinite Manifestations. Be careful of what you think, it will become words. Be careful of your words, they will become actions. Be careful of your actions, they will become habits. Join me today as we delve into the captivating world of the law of vibration, the art of manifestation, and the awe-inspiring legacy of Nikola Tesla. Discover the profound influence of frequency and witness how harnessing their power can unlock boundless possibilities in your life. Step into a realm where dreams manifest and vibrations create reality. Get ready to unlock your highest potential and embark on a remarkable path of enlightenment. Welcome to the extraordinary realm of the law of vibration, manifestation, and the genius of Nikola Tesla. From a spiritual perspective, the law of vibration is a fundamental principle that governs the universe. It suggests that everything in existence, including thoughts, emotions, and physical matter, is composed of energy and vibrates at a specific frequency. According to this perspective, each individual and object emits a unique energetic vibration that interacts with the vibrations of the world around them. This energetic exchange is believed to influence the experiences, relationships, and circumstances that manifest in our lives. The law of vibration suggests that our thoughts and emotions also carry specific vibrations. Positive thoughts and emotions, such as love, joy, and gratitude, are said to vibrate at higher frequency, while negative thoughts and emotions, such as fear, anger, and sadness, vibrate at lower frequencies. Therefore, the energetic state we cultivate within ourselves attracts corresponding experiences and people into our lives. Spiritual teachings emphasize the importance of consciously aligning our vibrations with positive frequencies. By raising our energetic vibration through practices like meditation, mindfulness, gratitude, and self-reflection, we can attract harmonious and fulfilling experiences. It is believed that when we are in vibrational alignment with our desires and the essence of our true selves, we can manifest our intentions more effectively. Ultimately, the law of vibration encourages individuals to become aware of their energetic nature and take responsibility for their thoughts, emotions, and actions. By consciously choosing higher vibrational states and embodying qualities such as love, compassion, and kindness, we can create a positive ripple effect in our lives and the world around us, leading to spiritual growth and a deeper connection with the universal energy. May God raise the vibration of whoever is watching this. Nikola Tesla, a visionary inventor and electrical engineer, was a pioneer in the field of electricity and magnetism during the late 19th and early 20th centuries. His remarkable contributions revolutionized the world, shaping our modern technological landscape. Tesla's inventions, such as alternating current power systems, wireless communication, and electric motors, laid the foundation for the world we live in today. Now, let's explore the intriguing 369 method, a technique associated with Tesla's numerical obsession. The 369 method is a manifestation practice that involves harnessing the power of numbers to align with the vibrational frequencies of the universe. In this method, you focus on the numbers 3, 6, and 9, which Tesla believed held a unique significance. The 369 method encourages you to set intentions, affirmations, or desires and then repeat them in cycles of 3, 6, or 9. For example, you might affirm your desire 3 times in the morning, 6 times during the day, and 9 times in the evening. By consistently engaging with these numbers and their vibrations, you aim to tap into the energetic resonance of the universe and manifest your desires more effectively. Remember, Tesla's fascination with numbers went beyond the mere physical realm. He believed that understanding the fundamental nature of numbers and their vibrational properties held the key to unlocking profound cosmic truths. So, embark on this transformative journey, embrace the power of the 369 method, and witness the potential it holds to manifest your dreams and desires. If you focus on affirmations, you have to consider another secret. By the way, you will find different daily affirmations on the community tab. If you want to learn more about the law of vibration, manifestation techniques that actually work, and spiritual growth, please like this video and don't forget to subscribe. Your kindness will be much appreciated. Now pay close attention. While affirmations are powerful tools for personal growth and positive change, there are ways in which they can be used ineffectively or even counterproductively. If you repeat affirmations without truly believing in them or having sincerity behind your words, they may lose their effectiveness. It's essential to genuinely connect with the affirmations and feel their truth within you. Affirmations should not be used as a means to bypass or ignore deep-rooted emotional or psychological issues. If there are unresolved issues that need attention, affirmations alone may not bring about the desired results. It's important to address underlying issues through therapy, self-reflection, or seeking appropriate support. Merely repeating affirmations without taking proactive steps towards your goals or desires may yield limited results. Affirmations work best when coupled with inspired action. They should be accompanied by efforts and behaviors aligned with your affirmations. Be mindful of the language you use in affirmations. If you include negative or contradictory words, such as I am not, I don't, or I can't, you may unintentionally reinforce limiting beliefs or focus on what you don't want. Frame your affirmations in positive, empowering, and present tense statements. Affirmations require consistency and dedication. Using them sporadically or giving up too soon may not allow them to integrate deeply into your subconscious mind. Consistent practice over time helps to reinforce positive beliefs and create lasting change. According to traditional teachings, the human body is believed to have 7 main energy centers called chakras. These chakras are thought to be spinning wheels or vortexes of energy that correspond to specific areas of the body and aspects of consciousness. To use affirmations the correct way, you have to address each energy center with your own type of affirmation, because each energy center vibrates on a different frequency. Let me explain. The root chakra needs I am affirmations like, I am wealthy, I am healthy, I am happy. If you only operate from this energy center, which is the lowest center, without any other tools, it will take you months to even start attracting anything. All energy centers have their own affirmations. The sacral chakra is I feel. Like, I feel wealthy, I feel healthy, I feel abundance. Move up one more is the solar plexus energy center, which is I do. Like, I do attract wealth. Next comes the heart chakra, which is I love. I love wealth, I love my health, I love abundance. The throat chakra is I speak, something like I speak wealth into existence. The third eye chakra is I see wealth and abundance all around me. Next comes the crown chakra, which is I understand or I know. I understand that wealth is energy. I understand that words have their own vibration and frequency. I understand that wealth is easy to attract. Try this out every day for 7 days straight and let me know how you did. Again, be careful of what you think. It will become words. Be careful of your words. They will become actions. Be careful of your actions. They will become habits. I often encourage my clients to understand and harness the power of the law of vibration to create a more positive and abundant life. By learning to vibrate at a higher frequency through positive thoughts and beliefs, we can attract more positivity and abundance into our lives. I would also suggest incorporating practices such as gratitude, visualization, and inspired action into daily routines to promote overall well-being and balance. By combining the law of vibration with a growth mindset and consistent action, we can create a life that aligns with our values and brings us joy and fulfillment. Understanding the law of vibration from a spiritual perspective invites us to recognize that our thoughts, emotions, and intentions carry a significant energetic imprint. When we align our vibrations with positive and expansive frequencies, we create a harmonious resonance within ourselves and the universe. This alignment allows us to tap into the inherent power of manifestation, where our intentions can manifest into physical reality. By consciously cultivating high vibrational states of love, gratitude, and joy, we become co-creators of our lives, actively shaping our experiences and attracting abundance in all its forms. Moreover, the law of vibration invites us to develop a deeper awareness of the interconnectedness of all things. It reminds us that we are not isolated beings, but rather integral parts of a vast energetic tapestry. As we elevate our vibrations, we contribute to the collective consciousness, radiating positivity and love into the world. This ripple effect extends beyond our immediate reality, influencing the people we encounter and even reaching into the unseen realms of energy and spirit. By embracing the law of vibration and infusing it with our spiritual practice, we embark on a transformative journey of self-discovery and self-mastery, aligning with our true essence and unlocking the infinite potential within us. In this magnificent dance of vibrations and the boundless potential they hold, remember that you are a magnificent being of light and love. Embrace the power within you to create a life that is in harmony with your deepest desires and aspirations. As you navigate this extraordinary realm of the law of vibration, manifestation, and the genius of Nikola Tesla, trust in your innate ability to shape your reality. Embrace the beauty of every moment, for it is within each precious moment that the seeds of transformation are sown. Allow gratitude to be your guiding star, illuminating the path ahead and filling your heart with joy. Know that as you raise your own vibration, you inspire and uplift those around you, creating a ripple of positivity that reverberates throughout the universe. So, dear soul, embark on this remarkable journey with an open heart and a spirit filled with wonder. Embrace the vastness of your potential, for you are a co-creator of your destiny. May the vibrations of love, abundance, and manifestation guide you as you step into the radiant light of your truest self. Remember, you are worthy of all the blessings that the universe has to offer. Embrace your power, embrace your dreams, and let your vibrations soar. Be open to receiving, and I hope to see you in my future.